Dear children, we use a large number of substances in our daily life, such as lemon, common salt, sugar, tamarind, and vinegar. Do they have the same taste? Let us recall tastes of some edible substances listed in the table. You find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, and some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Some chemical substances are useful to us in many ways. For example, our stomach makes an acid, that is hydrochloric acid, which is necessary for the digestion of food. Baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, used in baking of bread is a base, whereas common salt, that is sodium chloride, used in cooking food is a salt. Some of the acids, bases, and salts occur in nature, whereas many acids, bases, and salts are made artificially in factories. In this chapter, we will study about acids, bases, and salts. You know that lemon juice, curd, orange juice, vinegar, etc. taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids, or the chemical nature of such substances is acidic. Now, what about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? If not, what is its taste? It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soapy. Generally, substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, are known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. If we cannot taste every substance, how do we find its nature? Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. We will now discuss the various types of indicators in detail. An indicator is a dye that changes color when it is put into an acid or a base. That is, an indicator gives different colors in acid and base. It tells us whether the substance is an acid or a base. Thus, an indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is an acid or a base by change in its color. Acid-base indicators are of two types: natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Litmus, China rose, and turmeric are natural indicators. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. are synthetic indicators. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. Litmus has a purple color in water. When litmus is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. And when litmus is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. Though the natural color of litmus is purple, it is made into blue litmus and red litmus for the sake of convenience in detecting color change when an acid or base is added to it. Thus, litmus is made into two types: blue litmus and red litmus. Litmus can be used in the form of litmus solution or in the form of strips of litmus paper. That is blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. If a drop of the given solution turns blue litmus paper to red, then the given solution will be acidic in nature. For example, a drop of lemon juice turns blue litmus paper to red. So, lemon juice is acidic in nature. That is, lemon juice contains an acid. If a drop of the given solution turns red litmus to blue, then the given solution will be basic in nature, or it will be a base. For example, a drop of baking soda solution turns red litmus paper to blue. So the baking soda is basic in nature. In order to test a solid substance with a dry litmus paper, it is necessary to make a solution of the solid substance in water. Otherwise, the color change will not take place. China rose is also a natural indicator. China rose indicator is a light pink colored solution which is extracted from the red flowers of China rose plant with water. We can make the China rose indicator ourselves. Collect some petals of China rose flower and place them in a beaker and add some warm water. Keep the China rose petals immersed in water for some time till water in the beaker acquires a light pink color. Now remove the petals by filtration. Light pink solution thus obtained is the China rose indicator. This China rose indicator can now be used for testing acids and bases. If a drop of the given solution turns China rose indicator from light pink to magenta, magenta means a deep pink color, then the given solution will be acidic in nature. For example, lemon juice turns China rose indicator to magenta. So lemon juice is acidic in nature. If a drop of the given solution turns China rose indicator from light pink to green, then the given solution will be basic in nature. For example, baking soda solution turns China rose indicator to green. Therefore, baking soda is a base. Most common indicator available in our homes is turmeric. Turmeric is commonly used as a spice in preparing curries in our kitchen. It is yellow in color and stains the clothings yellow. While washing, when this yellow stain is rubbed with a soap or detergent, its color changes to brownish red. The reason for the change in color is that the soap solution contains a base called sodium hydroxide. When the base reacts with the yellow from turmeric, it changes its color to brownish red. Again, if we rub the brownish red stain with a freshly cut lemon, the stain regains its yellow color. Lemon juice contains acidic substance in it called citric acid. Acid always neutralizes a base. Citric acid from lemon therefore neutralizes the effect of sodium hydroxide. This brings back the original yellow color to the stain. The yellow substance in turmeric is curcumin. The color of curcumin changes to red when treated with a base. Yellow or red color does not change with water because water is a neutral substance. Many times we have noticed that a yellow stain of curry on a white shirt, which is due to the presence of turmeric in curry, turns red when soap is scrubbed on it. This is due to the fact that soap solution is basic in nature, which changes the color of turmeric in the curry stain to red. Next, a synthetic or man-made indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acid solution. It gives pink color in basic solution. Another man-made indicator or indicator used in laboratory is methyl orange. Methyl orange solution is pale yellow in color. It turns pink in acidic solution and yellow color in basic solution. Okay. There are some substances which have no effect on any indicator. Such substances are neither acidic nor basic. The substances whose solutions do not change the color of any indicator in any way are called neutral substances. That means they are neither acidic nor basic. Pure water, common salt, sugar are neutral substances. So, pure water, common salt solution and sugar solution do not change the color of any indicator.